Last weekend, when I tried to open my PowerDirector video editing software, I ran into this system error. It was really annoying because it was one I had never seen before and it wouldn't let me open my program. Here are the specifics of the system error I was facing. The code execution cannot proceed because MSVCP110.DLL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. I seriously and honestly have no idea what this even means. And I also don't have an IT department, although if I did, I imagine it'd be similar to the IT crowd. So I tried reinstalling the program not once, but twice with absolutely no avail and no help at all. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the program seemed to take forever because it was such a large program. I did it twice though to make sure it wasn't a viable solution to the problem I was facing. After each uninstall and reinstall attempt, I ended up seeing the same stupid error message. This turned out to not just be a waste of time, but an incredible waste of time. My frustration only grew when I couldn't contact customer support because it was off hours. I was not happy, so I started searching the web for possible solutions to my incredibly annoying problem. I was really searching in every single forum and article I could get my hands on. I was typing faster than this cat. Until finally, through a whole lot of trial and error, I finally found a solution to my problem. The solution to this problem is relatively straightforward if you know what to do. Simply open a browser and then type in Microsoft C++ 2012, click on that program, click on download, select the version you want. I picked the 64-bit version, click on next, wait for the file to download, go ahead and open up the file and then prepare to either repair or install it. If you already have it installed on your computer, you'll need to click on repair. If you don't have it installed on your computer, you'll need to click on install, and either way you'll need to wait for it to load, which may take a few minutes, and then restart your computer. After your computer restarts, try clicking on PowerDirector now, and look at that, it now opens and has full functionality. Problem solved. Woohoo! No more system error. That is music to my ears. Now please note that while it's untested by myself at this time, this process could potentially be used to solve other DLL problems that are very similar. Please let me know in the comments below if it's worked for you. Did I help you out today? If so, please support the channel and rock out on that subscribe button.